Hello, this is Bug Text. I just want to show you something very beautiful the homeowner did for the birds. They want the bird population to grow, and they set up a nest right over here. It was a man-made nest for the birds. I thought it was a nest that was built by the birds, but it's not built by the birds. It was actually done by the homeowner himself. And this is a fig tree, and soon there's going to be figs ripening, and the birds are going to be coming and enjoying the ripened figs. And you enjoy the video, and this was something I wanted to show you. Enjoy the video. Thank you.